2023 Aston Martin V12 Vantage Coupe automatic. It's for sale at $245,348, $245,348, 1,060 miles, and it is a certified pre-owned. So you get a 3-year warranty plus a CPO of 1 year extra. So it is a V12 5.2 690 horsepower twin turbo and 8-speed automatic. They don't have a stick shift anymore for a lot of cars, so new cars only come in automatic. So this is yellow with black interior. Has a sticker, but then this will come off. And all the Aston Martin cars, the doors come up slanted like that. I don't know if you can check.
Thank you for calling Aston Martin Import Lease. This is Matthew. How can I help you? They are not, unfortunately.
Which bricks?
Which car? 2020 Vantage, so there would be like a chrome key, and then there'll be like a valet.
So let me know if you're interested. Aston Martin Vantage V12.
It's like a